So an increasing hype for the Pixel phones was settled down by Google when they took the unprecedented step of confirming its next flagship and shared a back render in response to leaks. It clearly looked like a do or die situation where Google had no control over the leaks, so they leaked the phone by themselves to put some stop to all that stuff for at least some good time. Since that particular move, we only had some reports that doesn't reveal much about the phone, and yeah, these renders that possibly revealed the complete look of the Pixel 4. Now of course the strategy is working, and that's why Google has a follow-up for it. Just yesterday when we talked about the waterfall screen tag by Oppo, Google out of nowhere released a small teaser for the Pixel 4 which confirms face unlock and Project Soli on this phone. As you can see, the very first thing that comes into focus through this video is the top bezel, which is into the existence for special reasons, and the bottom bezel, which has been trimmed down to certain limits. Second of all, the company practically showed us that the phone would feature 3D facial recognition just like iPhones, but then they say it's different. The tag operates through a bunch of sensors, out of which Soli has become a topic of discussion in the past 24 hours. It's a motion sensing radar which combines with software algorithms to allow you to skip songs, snooze alarms and silence phone calls just by waving your hand. Radars have always been used to detect heavy objects, but for the first time ever, it will be a part of a mobile phone and will recognize gestures and your presence. Not only that, the radar will turn on the face unlock sensors when you just hold your phone or even when you are near to it. This will help you to not waste the time and unlock your phone in seconds. Both the algorithms and sensors recognize a user and work according to it. You don't even need to pose in a certain way just to get the phone unlocked, as the face unlock works in almost any orientation. That means if you are holding it upside down, you can still unlock the phone without setting the position. Also, you can use it for secure payments and app authentication, as Google will not share your image data or Soli sensor data to any of those Google services. It will be stored securely in Titan M security chip which is inside your phone. The company also says that the tech will get better with every use and even with every next Pixel upgrade. The bad thing is that it will not necessarily be available in every country due to likely regulatory approval related to radar. The feature will only be available in selected countries. Let me explain why. ATAP Group is responsible for experimental initiative inside Google, and Project Soli is only possible because of them. The tech is able to sense the movements of your fingers in virtual space. A radar beam is emitted by the chip which captures the movements. You can completely control device with possible actions of your fingers without even touching the screen. For that, Soli has to operate at a required frequency band which is higher than permitted by US regulatory agency. Google asked FCC to approve and allow them to operate Soli at those frequency bands, as they are in the line with standards from European Telecommunication Standards Institute. FCC took a long time to respond in positive manner, as other companies like Facebook raised concerns that it will interfere with existing technology at higher frequency bands. Later on, companies agreed that operations with higher levels would not cause interference, and FCC did grant Google's waiver. It's still not clear how this thing would work on a commercial device, and will it be available in every market. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.